First, open the app. Add device. Select Light. Scroll to the bottom and select Other. Then choose Zigbee. Start searching for devices. If this is your first time using the device, simply wait for the device to start flashing to successfully pair it. Select your device. Now, you can control your device with Alexa. You can also use voice control.
Alexa, turn off the first light.
Okay. If this is not your first time connecting the device, you'll need to reset it. To reset, short press the reset key 5 times continuously. Then within 2 seconds, press and hold it for over 5 seconds. After the light stops blinking, the reset is complete.